This 2022 Black Series HQ Series 15 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lakeland, Florida, 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Black Series is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 64 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.